4-burner gas grill is a powerful mid-size cooking machine that appeals to both newbies and veteran grillers for excellent reasons. Not only do 4-burner grills provide greater cooking flexibility by allowing you to create 4 individualized heat zones, but they also have ample cooking surfaces. They can be compact enough to take with you on the road. There are many products available to choose 4-burner gas grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the 4-burner gas grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Weber Genesis 2E435 4-burner natural gas grill. This unit boasts 69,000 BTUs of firepower, a whopping 844 square inches of cooking surface, and a slew of amenities. These include 4 stainless steel burners and tubes and porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates that are stick and rust resistant. The Genesis 2 is also IGR-ILL3 compatible, a nifty feature that monitors your food and relays your temperature in real time, directly to your mobile device. Additional features include Weber's signature flavorizer bar technology, which reduces cleanup, extends the life of your burners, eliminates flare-ups, and infuses food with extra flavor. The Genesis 2E435 also includes a side sear station that produces an intense heat zone for achieving quick steakhouse sears. Those who appreciate having the option to prepare sides and sauces will like having access to an extra side burner. Number 2. Monument Grill's 4-burner stainless steel. The Monument stainless steel 4-burner grill leads the pack thanks to its roaring BTU power, stainless steel construction, and cool extra features. This 4-burner propane gas grill features solid 304 stainless steel construction, extending from the tip of the hood down to the burners, firebox, and cabinet base. In total, you get 683 square inches of cooking surface. That's 473 square inches on the primary grates, and 210 square inches on the warming rack. Crack the lid, which features a built-in temperature gauge, and you'll find porcelain-coated cast grates. These resist sticking and are corrosion and rust resistant. Extra features include a 12,000 BTU lidded side cooker, perfect for preparing sides and sauces, LED control knobs for nighttime grilling, and a removable grease tray with a catch pan. The double-door storage cabinet is spacious. There's plenty of room for your propane tank and extra grilling gear. Number 3. Royal Gourmet 4-burner portable propane flat-top gas grill. If you can't decide whether you want a flat-top griddle or a traditional barbecue, the Royal Gourmet portable propane gas grill and griddle combo is the perfect model for you. The dual cooking surfaces provide you with 584 square inches of cooking area with 4 different cooking zones. Each zone can independently control the 12,000 BTU stainless steel burners, with a combined total of 48,000 BTUs. The 2 side tables provide you with plenty of space to prep your meals, while the tool hooks conveniently hold your grilling accessories. With a user-friendly design, the assembly work is minimized and can be done in 15 minutes. The combo provides a total of 584 inches cooking area. With all the great features of the grill and the griddle, this model can satisfy any barbecue enthusiast's needs. This large, multi-purpose grill and griddle combo access 2 cooking options for various food. You can use them either one by one or together. Transform it into a portable grill by folding down legs to fit in your rear trunk. Assembly is quick and easy. The grill will be ready in minutes. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.